Welcome to Mini Magic! Today, we're gonna check the 3 best websites for a graphic designer. Number 1. Pigment. Let's go for it! Pigment Shape Factory. The first one. Look at these color swatches. How different and unique are these? You can also change the pigmentation here of all palettes and lightning as well. We look at some color palettes that look so beautiful and special. This color guide is excellent for graphic designing. Let's pick one and give it a try. Do you find it tough to choose when there are many options? Okay, this one, Lulu and Lilac. Here are 2 bars from where you can change the color's tone. Better. You can also copy the code of that color. From more actions, you can save the swatches and also make a logo. Yes, it's the Mini Magic. Amazing! There are fantastic color tones. And check out the font style, it's cool. After selecting, next is Logomark. Here are some options. I've chosen Cloud, and look, it's super cool. After selecting a logomark, this website will create a logo. But creating a logo is a paid feature. These mini icons and logos with a fantastic font for the name are very useful. Animation can also be added but paid. If you don't want to pay for logo making, you can also find great ideas. But if you want to use it for free, color swatches can be very beneficial. Next is Wordmark. Search it. Paid for professional use. Let's start by entering a word. This tells how your text looks with fonts. There are so many options, as you can see. More choices to stylize your fonts. All you need is to select and copy the text. Last is Createsy. Free mockups of Createsy. This is a website where you can find numerous mockups that you can use for any of your articles. Let's have a quick look. There are plenty of options like bag mockups, cards, and much more. Mall poster mockups. Have a try now. I choose Mini Pouch Mockup. That is totally free. You can change the detailings on it. Here's the description. Look at the simple plain picture of the article and the mockup on it with different backgrounds. Also the details about the parts of article. This is the exact design. There is paid version also. Let's check it. With so many more options. All are paid. Everywhere is Christmas. Greeting card mockups. Go for it. Mug designing. That is at $15. The mug with detailing of mockups is shown. That's the rough image. The related products. Well, I like this one. This providing a wide range of tools to simplify the mockup creation process. Thank you for watching.